So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video, we are going to see that how can you actually get HTML and CSS code of your app or website made in Stitch. Firstly, let's move now Stitch. Just go in your browser and search for Stitch. Click on the first link. See, if you don't know about Stitch, let me brief you a little. So Stitch is a AI based designer made by Google. So we can just uh, do one thing, create website for a luxury perfume brand. Now Stitch will start doing its work. Meanwhile, you can see the logs here. So yeah, a color palette is done. Let's wait for the other files. So yeah, you can see that this has started designing a perfume website. Okay, so yeah, you can see that our website is ready. We will just preview this. But before that, I want to just change the theme of website to dark. This will start changing the theme. So yeah, our design is ready to be exported. Now let's just go here, and I want these as HTML codes. So firstly we will just preview this. Before that we will just preview this. Just preview this screen for better integrity of your code. You will get this why I'm doing this. This is the first screen, and now if I want to add more screens, just a minute. So yeah, you have to do one thing. You have to select all the required frames and then click on more, and then what you have to do is not click on more, just click on generate and then click on instant prototype. You will get some kind of prototype like this. I will just open this in a new tab or in this tab only. The reason why I did that prototype is, now you can see that all our pages are linked. Like let me check which page is linked. If we click on explore collection, then you can see this. I hope there must be some pages for this. Yeah, there is a page for this. I think this page is not available yet. Yeah, this is not available. So now what I have to do is we can just directly get the perfect code out of this. Now what you have to do is, now just come out of this, just zoom here, click on your prototype, and then you have to get the code out of here. For that, what we will do is just select all these screens again and get the Stitch React app. See, there is a difference. Like I have already tested this. If you create a prototype from this and then create the and then generate the code from this Stitch app, then you will get a better code than just directly generating the code without prototype. So firstly, always create your prototype and then go to your screens again, then generate the code. You will get HTML and Tailwind CSS code from this. Okay, so this screen is generated. Now just click on it, just interact with this and open it in new tab. Now you can interact with it here, but since I want just code, so I will just go here and click on view code. Let it get loaded. Now just copy the code from here. Now go in your VS Code. And you have to create a file here. You can name it as index.html and paste your code here. Just save this and then click on go live. I hope you have this live server extension here. So yeah, this is the basic code of website. Let me check if this is working or not. Yeah, this is also working. You can use other AI tools like anti-gravity. Another video will be coming soon for anti-gravity and stitch integration. Just stay tuned, guys. So that's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.